Hey guys, today I have a math challenge for you, which you'll see in just a minute. But before I give you the math challenge, I just want to remind you of the way that I want you to do this. So it's maybe been a while since we've practiced an addition or subtraction problem with more than two numbers. So I just want to show you a quick reminder so that you can be successful when I give you your challenge. So here it is. All right, so here's the problem that I'm going to work with, and you can see there's three numbers. I have a plus and I have a minus here. So whenever you're solving a problem like this, if it's pluses and minuses, addition and subtraction, we just want to solve our problem from left to right, just like we read it. We want to start on one side and move across to solve. So the first thing I need to start with here is my first two numbers. I'm going to ignore this part right now and pretend like I'm just 6 plus 4. I know that my answer to 6 plus 4 is 10, and it helps me to keep track if I write underneath my answer. That way I know what part I'm on. And then all I'm going to do now is take my answer, 10 minus 5. That's what's left over in our problem. So now if I do 10 minus 5, I can get my answer, which would be 5. Let me show you one more example. Here's my next problem. This time I started with a minus and then did a plus, but that doesn't matter. We're still going to start at the beginning and move through our problem left to right. So I can ignore this part right now and just solve my problem that comes first, which would be 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. I'm going to write it down here so I can keep track. And I might even cross this out just so I know I already solved this part. Now I'm just going to focus on what's left in my equation. So I solved the first part and got 9. Now I'm going to bring this down and add plus 6. And this makes it so much easier to solve. Now when I solve 9 plus 6, I know 9 plus 6, I can use any strategy. I can use my fingers, I can do mental math, I can count on. Whatever strategy you use should get you the same answer of 15. So hopefully you're remembering now with those examples how to solve those problems when we have more than two numbers. It's the same strategy no matter how many numbers I put into that addition and subtraction problem. So I've got a pretty big challenge for you, but I know that you guys can do it. So you're going to see the challenge in just a minute, and when you finish and you think that you have the answer, I want you to send it to me or Mrs. Conley on your Seesaw, and we will tell you if you've got the right answer. It's a big one, but you can do it. What's up, guys? I have a special challenge for you to do today for your math. You're going to be solving the longest problem ever. And I got outside and drew my problem with chalk. And so use what you know about adding up your numbers to see if you can solve this problem. Ready? All right, here we go. 12 plus 20 plus 16 plus 21 minus 30 plus 10 minus 19 plus 24 plus 13 minus 11 plus 20. That's it. That's the end. Want to see it one more time? I'll go fast. You can pause the video if you need to see the numbers. Ready? 12 plus 20 plus 16 plus 21 minus 30 plus 10 minus 19 plus 24 plus 13 minus 11 plus 20. The answer is... Make sure you send me your answer on Seesaw and I will tell you if you got it right. You guys, this is a really big challenge, but I know you can do it. Solve the longest problem ever. Say it. Good luck.
Did not.
Did Did you solve the problem? I hope you got it right. Ready? Woohoo! Hey, cheer. They got the problem right. Woohoo!